So you want to get better at PHP? Here are 5 tips for you. Learn to separate the HTML from the PHP code. PHP is a friendly language. However, don't abuse how friendly it can be. Many times developers mix PHP with HTML. Don't do this. Instead, try to keep your PHP code separate. Here are some tips to help you with that. Learn to keep the PHP code at the top. Learn to use PHP shorthand syntax. Use functions to help with HTML. Okay, it's time for tip number 2. Debuggers save lives. Use them. Using a debugger makes coding easier. Get rid of all those bugs quickly. Load up your favorite debugger today. We're learning a lot. Let's continue. Stop using frameworks. Go vanilla, you will learn a lot. Frameworks provide a lot of abstraction. This is great. However, using only PHP is a great learning experience. And we're on to number 4. Copy consciously. Never use code you don't understand. Never use code you don't understand. There are a lot of solutions. Find a solution you can understand. Alright. Stick around for the bonus. Reuse, reuse, reuse. Learning to reuse code is very important. Future changes becomes a breeze, and there are so many different ways to do this. Bonus round. Thanks for sticking around. Design first, code after. Don't just rush in. As a developer, rushing in sure sounds fun, but it slows you down later on. Plan and design before you execute. And now you're a pro. What are your tips?